Welcome to Biza'S Kitchen and more. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
It's cooking time.
Mango Nani and welcome to Biza'S Kitchen and more. My name is Angeline and today I'm going to be making my favorite breakfast and that is pancake and eggs. Yum! And I'm going to be wearing my favorite PJs because Christmas is almost here. Don't worry guys, my mama's here to guide me, so keep it locked.
We start by pouring pancake mix in a large bowl. Estimated I use 3 to 4 cups. I am using the brand Aunt Jemima. We add water, then mix, and I mix. Geez, my hands are tired. We put our frying pan to heat on medium flame. Our mixer is now done. How does Mama do this so often? To fry, I am using a little butter at a time. Cooking is a big job. I am using a little measuring cup to pour the mixture in the pot. Easy does it. This is my first try, so don't judge me. So, okay, is this how you cook me?
Yeah, good girl.
What? I really... Oops.
Let's take your time, okay?
What?
Hey. Don't worry, that's fine.
Oh God!
That's fine. Just scrape it off.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Pancakes.
Yeah, that's fine. Don't worry.
I'm so sorry. Who is going to eat this?
So now you just press them out.
That's that's definitely mine. So I have to press them.
Yeah.
I am getting the hang of the pancake flipping. Since I love pancakes so much, I think it is right for me to learn how to make it. I decide I'm going to have blue pancakes.
Now it's time to make our eggs. The eggs are kind of hard for me, but I try my best.
Now I add a little salt and a crushed red pepper.
Sam, put some butter in the pot. Do the fork. Put some butter in the pot. I'll pour the eggs in.
Oh, there's something purple.
So I'm gonna be serving fruits on the side. So I'm gonna be prepping my apples.
Cutting the apple was a little bit hard, so I turned it over to the pro in the kitchen. Now back over to me.
Now breakfast is finished. Now persons will come and serve their plates. And thank you guys for stopping by at Biza'S Kitchen and More. See you next time. Bye!
Angie, oh my god, you did such an amazing job. The pancake is delicious.
Thank you, Mama. I enjoyed it too.
Thank you guys for stopping at Biza'S Kitchen and More. See you next time.
Bye.